Most SaaS founders uncover blind spots when they cause disruptions. Initially, everything seems fine. Projects are progressing, teams look busy, and customers are satisfied. However, unnoticed issues begin to brew, creating invisible bottlenecks and leading to confusion. These early indicators, like unclear ownership and missed handoffs, can slow down execution, presenting a significant challenge as SaaS companies scale. To address blind spots, step 1 is to improve workflow visibility. Fragmented communication and disconnected tools make it tough to track work progress. Establish a visible workflow system that enhances team collaboration and allows everyone to see progress and priorities clearly. By connecting tools, you create a foundation for operational clarity. Step 2 involves enhancing ownership visibility. Blind spots often arise when responsibility is unclear. Every project must have visible ownership. When it's clear who's in charge, accountability flourishes, execution improves, and confusion diminishes. This strengthens the entire team's focus on achieving goals efficiently. In step 3, focus on making bottlenecks visible. Most operational bottlenecks aren't complex, they're often hidden due to lack of tracking. Implement systems that consistently identify delays before they escalate. This proactive management leads to greater efficiency and keeps teams on track. Step 4 is to improve execution visibility. SaaS founders shouldn't have to chase updates constantly. Execution should be transparently tracked through operational systems. Reducing dependency on meetings and status requests frees up time for teams to focus on their goals and improves productivity. Step 5 is all about creating operational transparency. Teams perform best when expectations, priorities, and progress are clear. Transparency minimizes friction, enhances communication, and strengthens alignment between team members. This clarity becomes a competitive advantage for your SaaS business. In summary, addressing operational blind spots is vital for SaaS growth. Implement structured operational systems instead of reactive management. Remember, when visibility improves, clarity enhances execution, and execution drives scalability.